They're already picking the next founding titan. Damn! Damn! Oh! Oh! Damn! Yo! Oh shit! Oh my god! Yo! Shit! Oh, half that nigga body though. Half the body in the bag. Oh my god. Yo. Our anger reached them. Oh, this just did nothing but boost the morale. Oh my god. This is getting out of control. Y'all think it's yo. Give your hearts. Give your hearts.
Giving up on him. Oh my god, already? Oh, go on. Go for it, Mikasa. Whoa! There's an explosion! What just happened? Who's that? Who's that flying out? Oh my god, he's dead! Right? Where goes that explosion? And that guy's dead! Who did it? He's over there. He's dead.
Danger. Playing a very dangerous game. Oh! Oh my gosh! What happened? Who did that? Ew. What the heck? Did that explosion come from inside the room, or did someone attack the room from the outside? Yeah, he's there.
What? Okay, I did not see that coming. Okay. What? What was that? No way! Oh, jeez. Are you for real? Who did that? Who did that? I mean, I'm sure it wasn't Aaron. Maybe even Lena or something? Was it Yelena? Oh, whoa. Someone from the inside. Someone from the inside, definitely. I mean, some weird things has been happening lately. Oh my. Yeah, it's just me and you.